Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video we'll be seeing how to make a paper watch. So for this activity we need a glue bottle, a scissor, a black pen, a square piece of paper, a rectangular strip of paper and another small white square piece of paper. So the first step is that we have to take the large square sheet of paper and we have to fold it in half in both the sides. Now we have to fold all the four sides to the middle point. So the next step is that we have to fold all the four sides to the middle line and we have to unfold them back. So first I'm folding the first two sides and I'm unfolding it and I'm folding the other two opposite sides. Now I'm opening it and I'm opening any two opposite sides. Now we have to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line. Like this. Now we have to take the top corner and fold it to the bottom to make a triangle like this. So there should be a triangle formed in the bottom. So we have to repeat the same step on both the sides. Now I'm doing it on the opposite side. Now we have to open these two sides and we have to fold it and press it to form a box. So our box is ready. So next we have to take the small white piece of paper and we have to draw a clock. So for the clock, I'm just drawing small dots all over the paper. So first I'm drawing 3 dots in a line and 3 dots on the opposite side. Then I'm drawing 2 dots between each 2 dots. So now I'm going to draw 2 lines, one small one and another one is going to be big. So after I'm done drawing it, I'm taking a scissor and I'm cutting it out. I'm just cutting a circle out. So now we have to take the circle and we have to glue it onto the box like this. So I'm applying some glue on the box and I'm sticking the circle on top. So after we're done with that, I'm taking a rectangular strip of paper and I'm gluing it inside the one side of the box and the other side is supposed to be glued to the opposite side of the box like this. So I'm gluing it. So I'm applying glue on both sides of the box. Now I'm gluing it. Now our paper watch is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!